This video compares TONEX and Boss IR-2 amp simulators. Choosing the right amp simulator can transform your tone without complicated setups. TONEX offers AI-driven modeling, while Boss IR-2 focuses on authentic impulse responses. TONEX and Boss IR-2 are both popular amp simulators but differ fundamentally. TONEX uses AI to model amps and effects dynamically, while Boss IR-2 relies on high-quality impulse responses for accurate tone capture. This core difference shapes their sound and usability. TONEX is an AI-powered amp simulator developed by IK Multimedia that uses advanced neural networks to recreate the sound of classic and modern amplifiers and effects. It works by analyzing thousands of amp tones and generating dynamic responsive models that adapt to your playing style in real time. TONEX excels in versatility, offering a wide range of amp types, cabinets, and effects all within one software platform. Its strengths include highly realistic amp modeling, intuitive controls, and the ability to customize tones extensively. However, TONEX requires a relatively powerful computer to run smoothly and may have a learning curve for beginners unfamiliar with amp simulation software. It is ideal for guitarists and producers who want flexible, cutting-edge amp modeling with deep customization options, especially those comfortable with digital audio workstations and plug-in formats. Boss IR-2 is a dedicated impulse response loader, designed to deliver authentic amp and cabinet tones using high-quality impulse responses. It works by loading recorded speaker cabinet responses that capture the exact sonic character of physical gear, allowing users to apply these IRs to their guitar signal chain. The IR-2 is praised for its straightforward interface and exceptional sound fidelity, providing a natural and organic tone favored by many professionals. Its strengths lie in its simplicity, reliability, and the ability to use custom IRs from various sources. Limitations include less tonal flexibility compared to AI modeling software and the need to source or create impulse responses separately. The Boss IR-2 is perfect for players who prioritize authentic cabinet sound with minimal fuss, especially those using hardware rigs or looking for a plug-and-play IR loader without extensive tweaking. Comparing TONEX and Boss IR-2 highlights their distinct approaches to amp simulation. TONEX offers dynamic AI-driven amp and effects modeling, making it versatile for studio production and live performance with extensive tone-shaping capabilities. In contrast, Boss IR-2 focuses on delivering authentic cabinet sounds through impulse responses, prized for their natural realism and simplicity. For players seeking deep customization and the latest modeling technology, TONEX is the better fit. Meanwhile, those wanting straightforward, high-quality IR loading with minimal setup will find Boss IR-2 more suitable. TONEX demands more computing power and familiarity with software plugins, whereas Boss IR-2 excels as a hardware or software IR loader with less complexity. Both deliver excellent tone but cater to different workflows and preferences. Choose TONEX for advanced AI amp modeling with extensive customization and dynamic response, perfect for producers and guitarists seeking versatile, cutting-edge tone control. Boss IR-2 is ideal for those who want authentic cabinet tones with a simple, reliable interface. Its focus on impulse responses makes it a favorite for players valuing natural sound and ease of use. Both are excellent, so pick based on your tone and workflow needs.